So after removing my makeup, recently I'm using the Savia facial oil soap for cleansing. It's made of pure natural oils and it can remove makeup thoroughly and other impurities while boosting your skin hydration levels. You can directly apply, massage and wash off, or you can put the oil soap into the empty bottle, then add a little water, shake it and it will create foam and you can use it like a foam cleanser. I really love the scent and it contains sea salt that goes down into pores to remove deep-seated dirt and balance sebum production to prevent acne. It also helps remove light makeup and it feels very light and pleasant on the skin. After rinsing off, it feels refreshing and I like how it doesn't cause my skin to feel tight or dry after. Next, I'm using the Soothing Moisturizer. You can apply it directly on the face or sometimes I like to apply it with a cotton pad for a more delicate application. This is a perfect product for people who have drier or sensitive skin. You can skip toner and apply this directly to your skin instead, and it helps preserve skin moisture content and restore radiance. It has a citrusy scent that feels very refreshing and light, and usually after applying, it makes my skin feel very supple and deeply moisturized. Then I'm using the Deep Intensive Essence. It's made of medicinal and botanical intensive essence for troublesome sensitive skin. It helps reduce skin damage from UV exposure and skin soothing plus antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. When I need extra moisture, I will add Optimal Repair Cream into the routine. It's formulated with amino acid and ceramides and it protects with long-term hydration for dry skin and is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. So after I discovered this cream and tried myself, the first thing that came to my mind is that I want to recommend this to people who lives in a hot weather country, at the same time struggling with troubled skin. It's a very light cream, so it can be used even for people who has oily skin type. It helps with calming irritation to reduce breakouts and lighten skin blemishes. So these three products come in a package and it's dedicated to younger generation. They're super light, also provide all the benefits for skin that teenagers need. Last step, I'm using the Eye Wrinkle Smooth Out Cream. It's a perfect item to bring around when traveling, and I've been loving this eye cream first because of the design. The shape helps the application easier and it has a slippery soft texture so it spreads and blends easily. It helps enhance sagging eyelid elasticity and improve fine lines around the eyes.